If your classroom feels louder than a cafeteria at lunch, it's probably not your fault, just fixable habits. Today, I'm counting down the 5 classroom management mistakes teachers make, and what to do instead. Quick, practical, and ready for tomorrow's lesson. Mistake 5. Starting without a reset. I used to jump straight into teaching while kids were still settling, and I paid for it all, period. Fix. Open with a predictable 60-second routine, door greeting, posted due now, visible timer. I say, you've got 1 minute, materials out, starter on the board. The timer does the nagging, I don't. Once that minute ends, I narrate positives. I see Maya ready, Jordan tracking, momentum, not micromanaging. Mistake 4. Teaching procedures like suggestions. I'd explain expectations once, then assume they'd stick. They didn't. Fix. Teach, model, and practice routines like you teach content. I show the exact steps for entering, asking to leave, turning in work, then have students practice it fast, 2 or 3 reps, until it's smooth. I reinforce with quick, neutral reminders. Reset, voices at level 1. Consistency beats volume, every time. Mistake 3. Taking misbehavior personally. I used to escalate with sarcasm or lectures, and the room went tense. Fix, keep it boring and brief. Private cue, exact behavior, immediate path back. Chris, phone away, thanks. If it repeats, I switch to a calm consequence ladder I've posted. Warning, seat change, call home, referral. No debates during instruction. I follow up later, in private, with curiosity. What got in the way today? Mistake 2. Talking too long. If I talk more than 6 minutes, I lose half the room. Fix. Trim mini lessons to the essentials. 1 clear objective, 1 model, 1 check for understanding. I build a talk task rhythm, 2 to 5 minutes of input. Then students do something. Write, turn, and talk, quick solve, whiteboard. I circulate during tasks and drop precise praise. Strong evidence, table 3. That keeps attention where it belongs, on learning. Mistake 1. Inconsistent follow-through. Nothing syncs management faster than rules that depend on my mood. Fix. Decide the non-negotiables and automate them. I keep a tiny clipboard or sticky note system, tally warnings, note names, move on. I follow the same steps before consequences, every time. And I make positives just as consistent, calls home for wins, weekly shout-outs, points for meeting routines. Students trust what I repeat. Bonus tip. Narrate the expected, not the problem. Instead of stop talking, I say, I'm waiting for eyes on the example. It's faster, calmer, and it protects relationships. Here's your 24-hour challenge. Pick 1 routine to tighten. Entry, materials, transitions, and script it. Teach it tomorrow. Practice it twice. Time it. Praise it. You'll feel the room shift in a week. Classroom management isn't magic. It's muscle memory. Start small, stay steady, and let your systems do the heavy lifting. You've got this.